like The Right Stuff and Coal Miner's Dog. He was the most honored citizen of Woodstock, New York. He moved in the 60s. They even celebrated Levon Helm Day. Levon was to Woodstock what Sheriff Andy was to Mayberry. In 1998, Levon learned he had throat cancer. The news was grim. Even if he recovered, he would probably never talk again. He would certainly never sing again. About 10 years ago, Levon beat the odds. Word went around. Levon was getting better. Levon was talking again. And then, Levon was singing again. In the winter of 2004, he had a lot of medical bills. So he and his friends hatched an idea. They would hold a concert in Levon's barn in Woodstock and invite local fans to chip in money for the show and, by the way, bring some pies and cakes so everybody could eat. This was the birth